Hi, Year 5. Welcome to your Spanish lesson 2. Okay, so last lesson we had a little look at greetings. So initial greetings, we use the phrase hola. Do you know what that means? Well done, it means hello. Okay, so we had a little look at an adult saying hello to children. Okay, and then the children responding. Okay, so we had,
Hola Arturo.
and then in response.
Hola señorita.
Now, does anyone remember what señorita means? Good. So senorita is like saying Miss Murray. So senorita Murray would be me. Okay. So it's for a female that is unmarried. Okay. Anyone remember what senora means? Good. I use the example of Mrs. Cromie. So we'd be like Mrs. Cromie, Mrs. Yates. Okay. Senora Yates, Senora Cromie. Good. Okay. And then senor. Well done. That's for a man. So it'd be like Senor Nicholson. Okay. So Mr. Nick. Super. Right. Remember this little song?
Hola Arturo. Buenos días. Hola Arturo. Buenos días.
Super. I'm hoping lots of you are singing along to that. Okay, buenos dias. Does anybody remember what that means? So this is a phrase you would use particularly in the morning. Maybe we would say it on the Zooms, okay? It might be interesting if some of you start to say it on the Zooms, okay? So well done. Buenos dias means good morning, okay? Right, back to this page, just a little recap, okay? So hola chicos, buenos dias. So that means hola children. So hello children, buenos dias. Good morning. Right, here we go. Buenos dias. Then buenos dias, Arturo. So practice having those kinds of conversations in your house in the morning instead of waking up and saying to whoever's at home, good morning, say buenos dias. The more you use these phrases, the more they become familiar. Okay? Right, we're going to move on today to have a little look at classroom phrases. Okay? Now, you can already see on your screen that we've got lots of gestures to help us do the action, okay? So we're going to have a little listen to all the classroom phrases. I'm going to explain what they mean, and then we're going to have a little go at you doing the actions, while I do the phrases, etc. Okay? So let's have a little look.
Escuchar.
So that means to listen. I'm going to play it again.
Escuchar.
Okay? So that means to listen.
Mirar.
That means to look.
Sentaos.
That means to sit down.
Levantaos.
And that means to stand up, okay? And this word here says muy bien, okay? So that means very good. Okay, so we're going to have another little listen.
Escuchar.
So listen.
Mirad.
Look.
Sentaos.
Sit down.
Levantaos.
And stand up. Okay, now I know that's a lot to take in, so like I always say, please feel free to pause it and go back and have a little listen. Okay, so what I want you to do now is when I press them, I want you to do the action, please. Okay, so listen very, very closely.
Escuchar.
Well done, that was to listen.
Levantaos.
Well done, that was to stand up.
Mirad.
That was to look, super.
Sentaos.
And then we've got sit down. Okay, so these are phrases that when we return back to school, okay, we're going to start using these. So it's really important you become familiar with them. Okay, so once again, Spanish is not going to be done on a worksheet because I want you to be talking in Spanish. I want you to be following the actions, okay? So it'll be really good to see these popped on Seesaw, okay? And you'll get dojos for the work that goes on Seesaw, okay? So I'm going to play these one more time.
Escuchar.
That's to listen.
Mirad.
To look.
Sentaos.
To sit down.
Levantaos.
And to stand up. Okay, you can always practice these with someone else in your house, getting them to do the actions while you speak it, getting them to speak it while you do the actions, okay? We can make this really fun whilst you're at home, okay? And I'm going to leave it at saying muy bien.
Muy bien.
Okay, very good, year 5, well done.